horrible story. The search continues tonight for a car that hit and killed a cyclist. It happened last month in East Baltimore. 58-year-old Wayne Richardson was riding his bike just before 11 p.m. on July 30th, westbound in the 2800 block of East Madison Street. Investigators believe the vehicle may have been driving in the same direction and made a brief stop after hitting Richardson. They believe the vehicle was a dark-colored four-door sedan. It should have some heavy front-end damage and could be missing the front bumper. If you know anything, please give police a call.
All right, and one person's dead following a motorcycle car crash. This happened this morning. Here we are dealing with one on the Beltway at Wilkins. This one was a Chevy Impala, and police say 21-year-old Jacob Parks collided with that Chevy just after 7 o'clock this morning. The Impala was traveling northbound on Reisterstown Road. The driver tried to turn left in front of Parks, who was going south. Parks was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. The other driver remained right there at the scene.
And you have a biker seriously injured after rear-ending a car. The crash happened just before 7 o'clock near Mountain Road and Jumpers Hole Road in Glen Burnie. 23-year-old man was taken to shock trauma. The cause of the crash tonight is still under investigation.